Sea moss! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Lyanne and this is my channel. So today we're going to be talking about sea moss. What is sea moss? How you can prepare it into a gel? How is it beneficial for your skin and your hair? So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching.
So I take the dehydrated sea moss and I rinse it with some water to remove the salt and the sand. I then soak it in with water for a few hours. Rinse it again and soak it for one last time for a few more hours. This is what the hydrated clean sea moss looks like afterwards. I go ahead, drain the water, give it one last rinse and place it in a pot with some water. I make sure to add good drinking water and fill it to cover a good portion of the sea moss. Of course, before trying sea moss, I encourage all of you to do some research. Remember, what works for one may not work for all, and that's okay because we're all on a different journey. Let it simmer for a few minutes till it turns into this gooey consistency. Afterwards, I transfer it to the blender and blend it until smooth. Sea moss or Irish moss is a type of seaweed found typically along the Irish coast and the Caribbean Sea. This powerful seaweed has become super popular in mainstream media, and that's for good reason, being that it is a miracle food holding 92 out of 102 minerals our body needs to function. Sea moss is not only great for your internal health, but it's also very amazing for your external health. It's a good source of iodine, minerals, and protein. It's excellent for the production of collagen, which helps the skin look younger by smoothing out wrinkles, toning, and fighting the signs of aging. Sea moss is also used to soothe the skin from conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and burns. This powerful seaweed can deliver a tremendous beauty benefit because it's high in sulfur content. So that's it guys, that's how you make sea moss gel. You just pop these in the fridge and they'll become like a gel-like consistency.
Also, if you guys haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, comment down below, hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys. Mwah! Also, remember, make sure that you do something that makes you happy because that is the only way that we're going to heal this planet. Bye.